I have never eaten such a tasty chicken. A quick and easy recipe. To start, cut 3 chicken breast fillets into slices. Put it in a bowl and season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and stir to blend all the flavors together. Now in a frying pan, add olive oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 grated carrot, and saute these ingredients. Now tell me where you are watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Then put everything into a bowl and add 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, salt to taste, garlic powder to taste, and stir. You guys, this chicken recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the result. Put this mixture on top of the chicken and spread it. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and comment below, I love chicken. Then wrap the chicken up. To continue, in a bowl add half a cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, 1 egg, salt to taste, and stir. Then on a baking pan, add the chicken wrap. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back here to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. Finally, pour all the mixture we've previously prepared and spread it nicely. And to finish, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. And now our recipe is ready, and all you have to do is enjoy. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.